So what's on the docket today other than freezing?
Reattaching the end of our pipe structure here because we had an air leak and then we broke these apart repriming it. So yeah, we get this swimming. What, January 2nd?
Yeah, it's the sort of a polar, Craftsbury style polar plunge. There it is.
I'm going to loosen the link seal first. Oh, we got a chance. Man, that cold creeps in fast.
Do we have a temperature on the lake water?
No.
We need to move the thermometer off of that one, off the other dock onto here so we can keep track of such things.
Lucas, if you want to take off the tube, I can. Wait a minute.
Oh boy. Can you twist it? Can't get it started.
Well, we're just going to have to put it together all in one piece then.